हम पढ़े ब्लैक बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी। ये पेज नंबर 524 है। फिक्स्ड प्रीपोजिशन। abhorrence of, strong hatred or disgust for something, abhorrent to, causing disgust or hatred, abide by, to follow or comply with a rule or decision, abound with, abound in, to be present in large number or amounts, absolve from, to free from guilt, blame or responsibility, abstain from, to refrain from doing something, abstemious in, sparing or moderate in eating and drinking, abstinence from, the practice of restraining oneself from indulging in something, accede to agree to a demand, request or treaty, acceptable to, satisfactory or allowed, suitable, एक्सेस टू द मीन्स और अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अप्रोच और एंटर अ प्लेस। इस तरह से इस पेज को सेल्फ रीड करके कंप्लीट करना। अग्री टू गिव कंसेंट टू समथिंग, अग्री विद समवन, टू हैव द सेम ओपिनियन एज समवन एल्स, अग्रीएबल टू, विलिंग टू डू समथिंग, एम एट, टू टारगेट और इंटेंट टू अचीव समथिंग, अकीन टू, सिमिलर टू समथिंग, अलार्म्ड एट, फ्राइटेंड और डिस्टर्ब्ड बाय समथिंग, अलाइन टू, अनफेमिलियर, स्ट्रेंज और अनरिलेटेड टू समथिंग, अलाइट एट, टू स्टेप डाउन ऑन टू समथिंग, अलाइट फ्रॉम, टू स्टेप फ्रॉम डाउन फ्रॉम अ व्हीकल, अलाइट ऑन, टू डिसेंड अपॉन और फाइंड समथिंग, अलाइव टू, अवेयर और रिस्पॉन्सिव to something, allegiance to, loyalty or commitment to a person or cause, alliance with, a partnership or association with someone or something, allowance for, to make accommodations or provisions for something, aloof from, distant or detect from a situation, alternative to, another opinion or possibility instead of something, arrive at, to reach a place, decision or conclusion, arrive in, to reach a city, country or other large area, arrive on, to reach a specific day or date, ashamed of, embarrassed or guilty about something, ask for, to request something, aspirant of, someone who has a strong desire to achieve something, aspire to have a strong ambition to achieve something, assent to agree to or approve of something, assiduous in, showing great care and perseverance in something, associated with, connected with something or someone else, assurance of, a promise or guarantee of something, assured of, to confidently tell someone something, assured by, given confidence by someone, astonished at, greatly surprised by something, atone for, to make amends for something, attachment to, a strong affection or connection to something, attend to pay attention to something, border on, to be close to an undesirable condition or quality, borrow of or from a person, to take or receive something from someone with the intention of returning it, bound for, traveling towards a particular place, bound with, tied or secured with something, break away, to isolate or leave, break down, to stop working or functioning properly, break into, to enter forcibly, break with, to end a relationship or association with someone, bring down, to cause something to fall or collapse, brush upside, to dismiss something as unimportant, burdened with, weighted down by something oppressive, compensate for, to make up for something, competent for a job, having the skills or ability to do a job, complain about, to express dissatisfaction with or grumble about something, complain against, to make a formal accusation or bring a charge against, complain of, to state that one is suffering from something such as a pain or illness, complain to express dissatisfaction or annoyance to someone about something, complain, compliment on, to express praise,